1, 2, 3. That's awesome. Ready? On 9. 1, 2, 9. I'm Stretch, Grinders BBQ, the amazing Seth, our sidekick and sous chef. This is our first time in Osage City, Kansas, cooking it. And it's a runner-up for the $1 million cook. We're here for the cook and the fun of it. And normally we use a different brand other than this FireBoard. So let's see what this FireBoard's all about, because I'm sick of having so many connections. So what do we got here? The unboxing of the FireBoard SPARK. I have no clue. Have you seen this product at all yet, Sethy? I like the packaging.
Aesthetically.
Yeah. Oh, it's actually pretty cool looking. Oh, it's rechargeable. Plus right there. Look at that. I wonder if it's waterproof. So it's a C, which is cool. Size comparison. It's thicker, which is interesting. Let's check the needles. And then we'll check the speed. It's got a longer, thin, narrower point for precision accuracy. Let's do a little test on speed. Let's see. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I love the color. What I tell everybody all the time is everybody wants these black units. You can't find them in the trailer when they're black, so the colorful aspect's really cool. It's really ergonomic, too. It's pretty cool. I'm excited to use that first one right there. If it can replace this big thing, which I don't even know how to change the battery in, and I love the charging aspect. That's awesome. FireBoard SPARK, it's Bluetooth or something?